Hey guys, welcome back to Natural Times 2. So, as promised, I'm going to do my braid out with the Suave Curl Defining Cream. Now, I have not done a braid out in a long time since I probably started transitioning. That's probably the last time I did a braid out because I'm not really a fan of them. But my hair has grown a lot since then, so maybe I'll like it a little bit more. So we're going to give it a shot today, okay? Alright, let's get started, guys. Alright, so I'm going to use the Suave Curl Defining Cream, and I'm just going to use my Eco Styler Gel, the Black Castor, and Flaxseed Oil one. Told y'all I needed to finish this, guys, so whatever style I got from now on, I'm going to use it, because I really need to finish it. So I use the same method. I'm going to use the same method with the kind of chunky parts, and I'm going to do a side part as well. So I just applied the Curl Defining Cream, and let's see how it defined my curls with no gel. Looks pretty good, actually. Okay, so now that that's in, add the gel. It's like I forgot how to braid. Oh my gosh, this is hard. I'm probably going to put perm rods on my ends, and I've come to the conclusion that this braid is a little too small, so I'm going to get a little chunkier. Alright y'all, I'm back and I finished, and I decided to do a flat braid on the front just to kind of eliminate some of the frizziness and the poofiness at the roots. We'll see how that goes. And I went ahead and added perm rods to all of my ends instead of just the front, just because it was a little harder to get the braids to stay towards the end. And that was it. So I'll show you guys how it looks all around. Not many braids in the back, honestly. But that's it. I'm pretty impressed with my hang time right now. I'm like feeling myself, but don't mind me. So I'm going to sleep on this tonight, and then I'm going to come back in the morning and show you guys the takedown process and how it turns out. See you guys later. Good morning, guys. So I just woke up and got dressed for school, and my hair is actually, I'm not even gonna say it's completely dry because then I'll take one down and it'll feel wet, but for the most part it feels dry. So now I'm just going to take it down and then we'll see how this turned out. Alright, I think I am going to use some oil on my hair. I think this may be the worst part, taking out braids. Alright. It doesn't look like the parts that I braided to my scalp are gonna be. I don't know, we'll see. It looks like it's more frizzy than I'd like it to be up top. It could be the method that I'm using to take it down. I don't know. Guess I'll just learn to do it better next time. Okay guys, so I finished taking down all my braids and I went ahead and laid my edges and fluffed my hair and kind of shaped it to how I wanted it. And like I was saying before, the parts where I did like the flat braids came out kind of frizzy. So maybe next time I'm just gonna do stacked braids instead of just one down, just so that it could be flat. I noticed that the ones that I didn't do flat still the roots weren't poofy as I thought it would be. So I might just do that method all around next time and see how I like it. But for the most part, I really love how this came out besides the frizziness. I like how it stretches my hair and it fell really nicely. I really like that curl cream. I think it worked well. The Suave curl cream. But yeah, so safe to say that I'll do another braid out soon. I really like it. It's poofy, it's soft. I love it. So I'll give you guys a 360 spin to see what I'm working with and see how it looks in the back. Yeah, so once I figure out like how to not have my hair super frizzy in the front, this will be like one of my go-to styles because I really like the shape of it and everything. But that's it, guys. It's about time for me to go to school and study. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any tips or questions and comments, please leave it below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our page for more content like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!